What's going on, guys? Good morning. Today is the 7th of February. We are going to talk about some altcoins, and especially the everyday we are giving you the blueprint how you can trade and set up your trading pairs and make sure you're prepared in this uncertain market. And we are giving you the true blueprint how you can do the futures market and as well as the spot market as well. So let's get into some of the news in this market has to offer today. Let's go see the real market. So Bitcoin is trading around 22,889 and Ethereum is holding up strongly around the $1,630. And we all know that the Tether has been strong as ever, and BNB is listed in the fourth, $326. And we all know the USDC is also holding it up at the number 5. And XRP and Cardano, BUSD, Dogecoin, Polygon, OXB, Solana, Shiba, Lido Staked Ether, and Polkadot, Litecoin, Avalanche, Tron, DAI, Uniswap. Those are the top 20 coins we are looking at in the market. And we also know that the Shiba Inu has been claimed its right at the number 13th. We all know that what is happening with the Shiba Inu, there's tons of new updates are happening. And also we all know that Solana market has been trying to recover from its fall. And now we all know that Dogecoin has been strong, very, very strong as well. It's almost about to hit the 10 cents, and Cardano has been struggling for a couple weeks, but now it's becoming more stable. So let's get into a more detailed. Singularity Net has been performed significantly, 38%, and the Frax share 27%, Fetch AI 18%. Those are the three coins has been performed really good, and the Synthetics has been climbing up onto 10% gaining last 24 hours. So in terms of DeFi has been $48 billion is floating around this staked liquid staking platforms led by Lido, MakerDAO, Curve, Aave, and Convex Finance. Uniswap is at number 6, and JustLend number 7. PancakeSwap is number 8. And when it comes to the L2 Beats, the layer 2 solutions crypto coins, which is on top of the new Ethereum 2.0. And they are, what it is mostly on top of the Optimistic rollup and ZK rollup. And we all know the Validium. And also, we all know that the Plasma has been working really well last couple months. And they've been managed to deploy OMG network and the Gluing, and those two are actually leading platforms and gained around the 13% and 4.6% within last 24 hours movement. And we also know that Optimism has been climbing up more and more. We have entered our sell price at this level, 22,886. That is our entry. 884. That is our entry price. And we have been performing. We have our size is around the $617, and we are looking at the market with a single eye, and we are thinking the price might be able to dump down below this 22,400 levels. And then if we hold this up, probably there's gonna be another consolidation, not too much, but I think we will try to go up again, and I think it will most likely to not hold up, and mostly we are going to see that 21,400 level is very, very possible for all of us. So that's why we have opened our position. So make sure you guys follow us on YouTube and Instagram and Twitter. So make sure you can follow our trades exactly when it happens, and right after our live we publish our video on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button and hit the like button so the algorithm will recommend us on the market, on the YouTube, throughout the whole YouTuber viewers, that they can see our content and be ready, because this is the true blueprint that we are giving you every single day so that you can make a profit and you can be successful on your trading journey. So not just the Bitcoin, let's go into the BNB price. So the BNB price has been declining quite significantly. We have told you around 333 US dollars level. And at this 333 US dollars level, we are looking at the prices has been declining, and we have also told you guys to do this support line, as we can color it up and make sure you can see this. This is the red trend line, and this is the trend line is currently working as a resistance level. And I think the price will most likely to decline below this level and retest again $315. And from that $315, I think we will most likely to see that the price will flush down. If the Bitcoin goes down, the BNB will probably go down. And when it comes to Ethereum, and we all know that this price action has been quite significant, and it has continued for over a last I don't know how you say it. It has continued from 21st of January till now, the 7th of February, which means it has been quite a lot of days. And exactly when we see it, I think it is over 2 weeks. It's about 2 weeks. It's about 2 weeks we've been stuck in this price, especially with the Ethereum. And I think I've told you guys we are taking this sell position, and I think this resistance level is quite significant, that the price is most likely to act and stay below. And we are also looking at this level, this red trend line. This red trend line shows that, okay, market will most likely go along this side above and then try to claim above the 1663 level. And if it could not break up, it will most likely to decline. So then that means we are positioning ourselves. We are going to sell it. If the price consolidate and stay there long enough, then our approach will be taking the short position. If the price goes above this level and makes another new high, then we are going to long this position. But this long is going to be very short amount of time, but I don't think it will continue quite long, because as we see it, the price action has been moving quite significantly. In here, we all can see what is happening in here. We all can see what is happening in here. And in here, what is happening is the market has been reacted quite significantly, and I think it will most likely to go around this level. If this breaks above, and it will most likely to see another trend reversal following this line. Most likely this will happen. And if this happens, then we will play exactly as it plays out, because the number one rule on trading: follow the market, follow the money. Where the money goes, then you should be placing your trades on that direction, not the opposite way. If you place it the opposite way, then that is going to be a pretty rough run for you. I'm not going to help you with that. So that is for you. So as far as I know, I'm giving you the blueprint how you can trade on the market. So make sure you guys subscribe and like our video and follow us on other social medias, Twitter, Instagram. So probably I'm speaking very, very fast, so that hopefully you guys can catch up my speaking, and hopefully my English proficiency is good enough for you guys. So make sure you guys comment down below if you can understand my English correctly. Then comment that you can say, oh, I can understand correctly. Plus, you can say, you can probably disclose if you had a trade exactly what I told you or not. You can display it around it. So let's see the XRP. XRP price has been a very, very pain in the back, because as we have told you before, the price has been acted very, very significantly. So right now we are seeing the clear direction. It broken below, and I think it will most likely to decline down. We are going to see another level, which is 0.33 a price action level. This 0.33 price action level is quite significant. Sorry. 0.33 level is quite significant, and when I speak fast, then I think I'm burping a little bit, so I hope you guys understand and forgive me for it. So I don't know, the English is not my perfect native language, so I'm doing my best. So hopefully you guys can understand, and let me know if you can understand my English. So let's continue. So I think the XRP price is acting quite relatively as we have supposed. So the next one is Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has been quite significant, and it has been rallied for at least within last 24 hours. We are looking at the 1 hour chart, and the 1 hour chart is seeing, okay, it is at this a groundbreaking 50 days moving average level. This 50 days moving average level is going to do some damage on the, we all know, on the altcoin markets. So when the altcoin goes down, then the Bitcoin dominance becomes a dominant. Then the Bitcoin dominance price becomes creating the new highs, and it will make it so high that the whole crypto market, whole altcoin market will look so small relatively Bitcoin market. So, and another thing we are looking at is Gala. Gala is showing a very, very weak sign. It has been not performing well within the last 24 hours. It has declined, and it shows the clear pattern below this 200 days moving average. So this 200 days moving average is showing, okay, there has been quite a bit dumping on the market. So if you all can see it, right now we are showing you the true blueprint, how you can play out this market within next 24 hours. So subscribe and follow us, and like us on our comments, and like us on our YouTube videos, so the algorithm will promote. If you like crypto, if you love crypto, hit the like button. If you love crypto, hit the subscribe button, so that you can stay with the real alpha, so that you would know how to react, what to do in this uncertain market. We are delivering you the true alpha on this signal, on this blueprint, on this YouTube channel, so that you can follow and make profit exactly as we did. So we are shorting the market exactly at this moment. So I think the price will most likely to work within these levels, and our entry is around the 22,886, 864, and that is the level we are looking at. So another thing we are looking at is Aptos. Aptos has been declining, and it has shows a clear sign below this $16 level. What it is, it hit the $20, and now it's trading below $16 level, and it's around the $15.38, I think, approximately. I think the price will most likely to go down. At least it will go down below this level, and it has shown the pattern. This pattern is very, very significant. I think this shows another a lower floor price, and I think if this price could not handle itself, I think it will most likely to go down as well. So we will see if the $14 level and $13 level are relative to this Aptos market. We would never know. We would never know. And another thing we're looking at is YFI. YFI has been performing significantly. We rode this ride with us, and I think we have seen quite a bit changes on this YFI. We took this price action when it's actually broken above the 6,000 level, and we took the position, and we knew this has been a quite significant run, and exactly as we have supposed, right now the YFI price is on this support level, and I think we will see if this price level can hold its level. So this is the support level, and it's a double pattern proof. The first one is this sideways trend line, and the next one is this is the sideways, the 180 degrees exact amount of level of 7,481, and these two levels are confirming, and I think YFI will pretty much try to confirm a next level. We can see this is the level YFI could reach potentially within the next couple weeks, and we will see. And I think we are looking at the YFI market exactly exactly most of us could do. I think we could see the YFI price will claim back into the level of 12,000 level. 12,000 level is very, very important in this. And so far the TA is working like this, and the next thing, we have some news for you. And I think one of the biggest alphas are how you can determine and how you can see the airdrops. The MetaMask could soon launch its token airdrop. So how we should prepare for it? I think most of the things are you need to be the user of MetaMask. And the second of all, I think you also need to be a very relatively strong on MetaMask grants DAO, and there's a consensus, which is the owner of this MetaMask company. The consensus is the mother company of the MetaMask, and the founder and CEO Joe Lubin has hinted at several occasions that a token is in the works, but the company has not yet shared full details. Interestingly, Consensus recently launched its MetaMask Grants DAO, an employee initiative to grant funding to developers outside of Consensus working on expanding the MetaMask ecosystem. The move could be hint that the company is looking to decentralize the project. It is the centralized project because it is only an application layer, and it is just helping the layer 2 and layer 1 applications on top of Ethereum that they can use it as a wallet, and this is widely accessed. Over 30 million users are actively using MetaMask right now, and their a yearly income is over $200 million US, and I think they can easily do a really good project, a really good product, according with their based on their platform, which is the MetaMask wallet. Based on that application, I think they can build all kinds of stuff. So I'm very, very bullish on that. And they are saying a 7 billion valuation within with a 450 million Series D raised in March, last March. That means, so which means it could potentially airdrop a handsome sum to users. But since the wallet is broadly used by the crypto natives of all stripes, qualifying for the airdrop may not be easy. Here are some steps MetaMask users can take to maximize their chances of receiving the wallet's token once it's live. So first is swap tokens on MetaMask. You need to be swapped. You need to use the MetaMask, not just storing the value, storing your coins, but you also need to use the MetaMask exchange to swap your coins and do some tradings along the way. And the second thing is use the MetaMask bridge, and that is you have to be bridging either from Ethereum to Matic or DAI, USDC or USDT tokens using just one chain. Not you need to use the Polygon, Avalanche, and BNB chain. And those are the chains. Between the chains, you can use it for bridging, changing your tokens from one chain to other chain. And number 3, create the Ganesha Safe wallet. That is very important. So you need to be connecting your Ganesha Safe to the MetaMask so that you can qualify these things. Donate via Gitcoin. So one thing anyone should do is use the donation via Gitcoin. Gitcoin platform is actually decentralized social network that most of the crypto users use when they raise a fund or do the donations. Sign up for Infura, and that's probably most of it. And I think that is going to be quite significant. I'm very excited and very bullish on whatever comes with MetaMask. So the next one, it is crypto exchange Binance to suspend US dollar bank transfers this week. So one of the reasons they are suspending this US dollar bank transfer is there are very, very small percentage of users. They are depositing and withdrawing their assets through the US dollar bank. That is very important. The US dollar bank is least used assets in this case. And at this point, we all can see that they are going to froze it. And it's about the 0.01% of monthly active users use USD bank transfers. That has been very, very significant. And you can all can see this from the CoinDesk news articles. And also, next one is MakerDAO is doing donations. So the MakerDAO founder wants a 40 million to fight climate change. And he's been a climate change. Probably he's joined one of Klaus Schwab's like ridiculous narratives. And I think this 40 million would probably end up just bribing those people. Trying to bribe people and trying to gain access into, I don't know, the mainstream. I don't know, the banking system in Europe or banking system in Switzerland. I don't know. Who knows what the MakerDAO is planning on? But the MakerDAO is one of the biggest crypto exchanges, decentralized lending protocols. They lend and borrow crypto assets into various different methods of different coins. And I think they are doing quite well. So in terms of despite all this bearishness, they're still managed to give 40 million to this climate change. I think this is going to probably received by the World Economic Forum, which is the head of it is Klaus Schwab. So everyone needs to understand what are the things that are happening and why they are happening in these markets. So let's see the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin price is actually relatively stayed and in this level, which means this will more than 90% that it will decline the price of it. So let's see how the things will react, and we will see you guys in our next video. And very soon we will do our live, and on the live it'll be a live trading so that you can follow us on the trading patterns and trading methods, and we'll give you the true blueprint of it. And we'll see you guys for our next video, and stay tuned. Goodbye.